Hey guys, so quick video on how you can possibly reset your Smeg dishwasher is something that I found, and maybe it's going to help it. So first you want to turn off the dishwasher and use the power button to control panel to turn the dishwasher off. Then you just want to unplug the appliance from the wall outlet, or if you have turned off the breaker, skip this step and give the dishwasher electronic system time to fully discharge. Wait at least like 1 to 2 minutes, even 5 to 10 minutes. And then you want to do, which is you could plug the dishwasher back in, or even turn on the breaker, the circuit breaker. And then you're gonna just turn on the dishwasher. So this is something that you want to try. Maybe it's going to help you. I hope it does. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I always look on how we can possibly fix the issues. And yeah, so thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.